Hi, welcome back everyone. This is me, Rooney Lin, and once again, I'm recording this brilliant.org educational video recording, not regularly as usual, but after a long, busy university production week, yes, that I recently went on at university, yes, with meeting lots of new friends and kind of having engaged and having fun of this entire session was really remarkable. But anyway, let's return to this online computer brilliant.org. But today, as a special day after this long production week, I'm going to continue this programming in CS. Yes, but completely new chapter. Guess which one is it? That's right. This one, programming with variables, completely new chapter that I'm going to do some exercise in the first place. So as a pointer here, I'll click on it right away. That's right. Programming with variables. Objective is to supercharge your programming skills with variables and loops. 15 lessons with whooping 150 exercises in total. Still tremendous amount contained. Anyway here, level 1 variables and the sub chapter is called writing programs is what I'm all about to start off this exercise, right? Shall we? So I'll click this start button to begin it. There we go. Right. Writing programs. Programs are often used to create digital images. Let's get coding. Continue. Yes. Here's the first one. Let's write a simple program. Draw a blue square. Draw square is correct, but color selected, given selected one is red, but I'll change to blue and then check. Of course, simply correct. Why? Input to the draw square block specifies the square's color. Simply choosing blue from the selected multiple drop-down options as the input generates simply a blue square. Right, simple, perfect display to begin with. Continue. Yes, program run one step at a time in order. So here, draw a blue square after drawing a red circle. So these two are in the opposite colors, so wait, no. Of course, red circle first, then blue square is next. Let's check. It should be here, wait. No. Here. Red circle first, then blue square next. Let's check. Of course, that's correct. Red circle first, then blue square next means blue square overlaps the red circle one, as you can see. But why? That's right. Explanation tells us that to draw the square after the circle, we arrange the code so the line making a square runs after the one making a circle. Therefore, this makes the square visible on top of the circle. The second one overlaps the first one, so that simple diagram, but interesting feature to be discovered, isn't it? Continue. Now, this is telling us to inputs and code order both matter. Draw a red circle, yellow hexagon, and green triangle in that order. We just drag these executions to the right order. Wait, it's here, right? So draw circle, red, yellow hexagon, wait. Triangle should be green, not blue. Oh, I must change here. Triangle blue is green, right? These three should execute properly. Let's check. Of course, this is correct. Why? Explanation tells us that this program draws a red circle first, then it draws a yellow hexagon on top of that, finally draws a green triangle on top of that itself. Again, simple feature to demonstrate to all of you, isn't it? Continue. Yes, additional statement here is telling us that by setting inputs and ordering your code correctly, you've exercised an important skill in programming called precision. So in two different applications written this code, like pseudocode is on the left and then Python will be here on the right. Slightly different codings here, but again, have to memorize it. Continue. Oh no, sorry, like just want to tell you here. Finally, time for a skill chat. Like, don't have any more practice, but like just going to skill chat straight away. So 3 practice questions to be encountered along the way. So why not go through it? Continue. Wait. Yes. Complete the program. No. This is question number 1. Complete the program. Draw a green triangle. Yes, draw a triangle. Which color should we select? Of course, simply green. Let's check. That is correct. Why? The input to the draw triangle block specifies its color. Choosing green as the input generates a green triangle as displayed on the screen. Simple one to begin with. Continue. Oh, easy peasy, right? Question number 2 here. Write the program. Draw a green triangle on top of a yellow circle. So which one comes first? Here. And then this is next. All right, let's check. Oh yes, correct. Why? Yes, explanation is telling us that to draw the triangle on top of the circle, we arrange the code so the line making a triangle runs after the one making a circle. This first, then this next, overlapping it. Continue. The last question will be next. Yes, last question number 3. Write the program. Draw a yellow circle, a red square, and a green triangle in that order. So again here. Yellow circle, not blue square, should change to red. Green triangle. Yes, these 3 programs should be executing here. That order, right? Let's check. Of course, correct. Why? Yes, explanation here is telling us that this program draws a yellow circle first, then it draws a red square on top of that. Finally, it draws a green triangle on top of that itself. All right. By the way, I've successfully encountered 3 basic questions of this, writing different programs and codings, like illustrating shapes on screen in different perspectives. Thankfully, got 3 out of 3 perfectly done. So I'll click on this finish tab to conclude it now. It's been complete. As a result of this today's exercise completion, I've gained here 110 XP, that is experience points this time around. Continue. Just skip this one, it's not needed. Alright, glad to be back here, programming with variables. As a result, after completion here, writing programs, that chapter is completed, and we're going to using variables is the next chapter to continue, but I'm not focusing on that one currently. Probably switch to another chapter, task or exercise along the way. Anyway, that's it all for this today's educational video recording that I've created to all of you. So thank you very much for watching this. If you do enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos as well. Why not go out, check my YouTube channel called Rooney Lin with lots of other interesting contents like gaming videos, gym workout videos, and many more. I'll keep on track recording these videos and update to all of you in the future, probably. I promise. Anyway, I'm leaving this session now. Take care, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.